Hello everyone, this is MJ and today nandito po tayo ngayon sa actual turnover ng Chloe. So, pasukin po natin siya. Let's just quick tour. So, this is a 120 floor area and minimum lot area of 120. So, ito yung magiging carport nyo. Then, let's go inside. This is the living room. As you can see, may tiles na siya, wall paint, and okay na rin yung mga windows. So this is the turnover. Ito yung mismong makukuha nyo kapag kumuha kayo here in Metro East Silang Estate. This is the toilet and bath. So this is the back of the house. So meron ditong kitchen for dirty kitchen actually. Look at that view. Sobrang peaceful. And then yung natatanaw nyo doon, that is foreign part, which is may mga available tayong house and lot yan, and then lot only. Let's go upstairs. This is the second floor. 3 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath. This is the first bedroom for your children. And this is the common toilet and bath sa second floor. So this is the second bedroom. Nakalock lang siya today. And then this is the master's bedroom. So dito sa master's bedroom, meron kang toilet and bath. And from master's bedroom, nandito yung pintuan natin papuntang balcony. So yung balcony natin is L-type. So if you're interested for site tripping, please call me or message me